Your shoes are the first thing people subconsciously notice about you. Wear nice shoes. Sometimes the people who don't talk to you are the ones that really want to. Swans only have one partner for their whole life. Once their partner dies, they pass away from a broken heart. A person usually makes a lot of hand gestures when telling a true story. On the contrary, when telling a lie, a person's hand will stay noticeably still. Dogs perceive humans differently from themselves, but cats do not. Cats treat humans like they would treat another cat. Psychology claims that if two past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. If someone can't cry, he or she is emotionally numb. Psychologically, we tend to ignore those who adore us and pay more attention to those who ignore us. Psychology says when your mood randomly goes from happy to sad, it's often an indication that you are missing someone. Every day, the heart creates enough energy to drive a truck 20 miles in a lifetime. That is equivalent to driving to the moon and back. So when you tell someone you love them to the moon and back, you are essentially saying you will love them with all the blood your heart pumps your whole life, which I think is equally as meaningful. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. A human brain has a capacity to store 5 times as much information as Wikipedia. Laziness and inactivity kills just as many people as smoking. Paranormal experts said that if you saw someone unfamiliar in your dream, it is actually the ghost watching you while you are sleeping. It is believed that when you die in a dream, you wake up because your brain cannot process the idea of death and what comes after. Your nose is connected to the memory side of the brain. That's why smells can trigger powerful memories. Zebras can't sleep alone. When a person cries and the first drop comes from the right eye, it's happiness. A drop from the left eye is pain, and both indicate frustration. Subconsciously, it takes at least 6 to 8 months for the brain to process complete forgiveness for someone who hurt you emotionally. Smiling is the ultimate antidepressant. Masturbating more than 21 times a month can actually decrease your chance for prostate cancer.